The word deep in deep learning, it's not marketing. It literally describes the architecture. Remember neural networks from the last video? They have layers. A shallow network has just one or two. A deep network has many, sometimes dozens, sometimes hundreds. That's it. That's the whole definition. Deep learning equals a neural network with many hidden layers. Here's why those extra layers are a big deal. Let's say you're training on images of faces. Layer 1 might see raw pixels. It learns to detect edges where light meets dark. Layer 2 takes those edges and starts seeing shapes, curves, lines, angles. Layer 3 takes those shapes and learns to recognize a nose, an eye, a jawline. By the time you're deep in the network, you're not looking at pixels anymore. You're looking at concepts. Shallow networks couldn't do this. They didn't have enough room to build that understanding step by step. So why did deep learning explode around 2012? 3 things lined up at once. Bigger data sets, way faster GPUs, and researchers finally figuring out how to train these deep networks without them falling apart. That combination kicked off basically everything we call the AI revolution. ChatGPT, image generators, voice recognition, all of it traces back to this. Deep learning isn't magic. It's just layers, each one learning something more abstract than the last. Edges to shapes to faces, pixels to concepts. That's the architecture behind modern AI. Follow for the next video. Drop your AI questions in the comments. This has been Daniel with Cadmus Lab, and thank you for tuning in for our AI Zero to Hero series. Have a great day.